Hello everyone, it's Naoki here. Today, I want to show you how to add text in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open Illustrator and make some workspace. Once you open Illustrator and if you want to type something, the place you want to go first is the Type tool. The Type tool is located on the sidebar right here. And click Types tool and type anything you want. Once you typed in something, you might want to adjust the text as you want, such as changing the font, size, space between the words, and so on. Let me show you how to do it. First, get character and paragraph window, which is this one and this one. If you don't see the character window or paragraph window in your workspace, go to the window on the top and the type and character and the paragraph window here. Let me start from character window, and the character window allows you to change the font, okay, and the size and the space between the word. And if you have multiple lines like this, you can also adjust the gap between the lines with here. Okay, so let's move on to the paragraph window next. The paragraph window gives you the option of the document align, like align left, align center, and align right, and so on. Okay, so let me show you one by one. So at the moment, that document is set as align left, which is everything is set in the left hand side. If I just click on the center, as you can see, everything is went to this set in the center. And align right, you just set in the right hand side. Also, you can justify the text with the last line here. Okay, let me show you. So I'll just duplicate this one. So now I have two different text box here. And this side, I set the left align. So if I click this one with the justify with the last line aligned left, see that text box start trying to fill in the space until the left line. It looks more newspaper article looking. Lastly, I want to introduce you guys is vertical type tool. The vertical type tool is located inside of the type tool. If you select the type tool and if you hold it, you can see the vertical type tool right here. Vertical type tool is type in the vertical way like this. As you can see, this is not very good for the English letter, but it might be perfect for some Asian letter like that. So again, it's the same as the horizontal way. You can adjust the line between them from here. And also, if you want to adjust the space between the word, you can do it from here. That. Perfect. There are a couple of more options I like to introduce about typing the text, but I'll introduce them one by one in another video. So this is the first step of adding the text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.